Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Old Town, local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we specialize in local moves within the vibrant city of Old Town. When it comes to local moves, we go above and beyond to provide you with a seamless and stress-free experience. Here's how we do it. Personalized planning, efficient packing and loading, and enhanced customer service. When it comes to long-distance moves, 3 Movers is your trusted partner for a smooth and reliable relocation. We understand that long-distance moves require meticulous planning, attention to detail, and extra care for your belongings. We invest extra time and effort into planning your long-distance move. Our experienced Old Town long-distance 3 Movers work closely with you to create a comprehensive moving plan tailored to your requirements. We consider distance, timing, and special considerations to ensure a well-organized and efficient move. Secondly, our expert packers employ professional techniques and use high-quality materials to protect your belongings during the long journey. Fragile items are given special attention to guarantee they arrive at your new home in pristine condition. Thirdly, we have a fleet of well-maintained moving trucks designed for long-distance moves. Our experienced drivers are adept at navigating different terrains and road conditions, ensuring your items a safe and timely delivery. Lastly, we understand the importance of providing competitive pricing that fits your budget. Our transparent pricing options are designed to offer you the best value without compromising your possessions' quality or safety. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Old Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.